after drawing some stuff every one of the Pokeyokes, I can have some time on the PC. Wait. Oh! Oh, hey Bubblehead. Oh, hey Buttercup. How is pretty much the same, Bubbles. And anyway, have you seen like one of those horror games it has? Yes, but I don't like them. I never liked horror games. Well, you gotta check this one out. I find this cool FNAF fan game. FNAF? Yeah, you know that bear? There's another like fan game. Oh, let me just search up right here. Let me search in Google. There. It's all set and clear. What game did you play, Buttercup? Look for yourself. What? Is that Mickey? Why is he tearing his head off? Oh, I don't like this at all. Goofy? Yeah, Bubbles. This is the game I want you to play. That's Treasure Island Abandoned Enigma. I bet that you're scared right now. Look at you right now. Hey, I'm not that of a scaredy cat. Yes, you are. I'm going to download this game, you know. No! Buttercup, don't! And you know that I'm sensitive. I just challenge you, Bubblehead. There you go. Got the game installed. And where is it? It gotta be somewhere around this stupid... Aha! Treasure Island Abandoned Enigma. It says that that's a demo. I mean, it's a short game. Nah, you'll be wrong. It's a night 4. But it says it has a night 2 demo. It's just pranking us. I bet that you're just a chicken. Hey, I'm not a chicken. Yes, you are. You know what? Go. Just go. Okay, you say. I'm gonna look around for a blossom anyway. You stupid Buttercup. You're always doing this to me. You know what? Fine. I'll play this game. I will prove them all that I am not just hardcore. That I am also known for playing a scary game. I got the game loaded. There you go, I got the game loaded. What's so scary? Why is it making like this? I don't like this at all. But Buttercup just said that I'm a scary cat. I'm not a scary cat. See? I just go to the game. Wait, what day was it? Was it May 2014? That's 1 year ago. Did they lie? Why was it last video? I'm gonna get Cody Cricket's force. Huh? Oh, Buttercup is right. It's just like 4. But I don't know how to deal with the others. The distorted still will go away if you stay in cameras. I really want to block it. Well, okay. Hey. Oh, there you are. Can turn around. Oh! Oh, that scared me. I am obsessed. I can turn on the flashlight and close the doors. It's just FNAF. And you put the cameras. Oh, that's why Mickey is wrong to do. What the? Mickey? Minnie? I think I dealt with Minnie alright now, but Mickey is not affected. Buttercup, what's else? What is that? I think Mickey has to be lured away. Hey, who is this bread man? That's Donald? I think that's the rabbit.
My hat can come off.
No, your hat can't come off. Well, I did see, but what was that noise? I don't like this at all. Come on, Bubbles. Oh, Goofy!
Even you, Goofy. Come on, Bubbles. You're not that afraid. You're not that of a scary cat. Oh, God. Ah! Push back. Push back. Oh, got to my voice. There you go. That was the red man? I just checking the doors. Are you sure that... No, Minnie? Minnie? What are you doing? Come back, please. What could Oh, Donald. He's right next to me. What do I do with him? Shut up. What was that? Ah! Was that another Mickey? Let's check on Donald. Oh, the rabbit! The rabbit! There's so many things happening here. Oh, there he is! Oh, I have to shut the door on him. I can see things happening. Where's Minnie Mouse? Hello. Where is she? Goofy! Wait, that's Goofy! Oh, it's the same thing as Donald. Wait, I saw her! I saw her! She's going there! Go back! Oh, she saw that. Who is this red man? I never saw him. Focus, Bubbles. You're not that scared. Go to 6 a.m. or 6 p.m. it says. Oh, Mickey. Mickey, what's wrong with you? I'll lure you. Where did the others go? Is there no one here? Or is me? Oh, there's Benny in the back. It must be that legless Mickey. His name was Oswald? Where did he get out of here? Goofy. I had to do with Minnie. Where did she go? I think she was at, she might be in the bathroom. Sorry, but... I knew she's in the bathroom. But I had to stay an eye on her.
Fantastic.
Shut up! The rabbit's down here. I already got rid of it. But where's Donald? Let me go back. night 2 and 1 and night me? Possibly yes. Oh, Minnie, she's right there. I know my boy's gonna alert the monsters.
Smile for the camera.
I don't think I can smile. I'm scared. Freak me out. Okay, freak me out. You're doing good. Doing good. Huh? Mickey said, no. What are you doing? Bubbles, what are you doing? Oh, Oswald. I think I can remember. It's Oswald. Oh, where did Minnie go? Oh, I learned her. I'll her back. Goofy. Oh, he almost got me. I don't know where she is. Lift her up.